So I created this plugin called Instant Chords Lite, which basically allows you to instantly generate a chord progression to use in your songs. Here's how it works. So you got to place it in your track before any other VST instrument. And I say that because you want your preview chord function to actually work. So how the plugin works is that you have two drop downs here. You have a chord root node basically, and a chord quality. Root notes can be like C, C sharp, the whole lot. And qualities, well, we have a bunch of them here, from major and minor all the way to minor 13th flat 5. So a lot of chords to go through. I also added like a checkbox here called is extended, which flips between like a basic triad and chord spanning like 2 octaves. We'll see how each of them sounds in just a moment. And you have an add chord to section button here, which basically adds the selected chord here to a section. A chord section can have a total of 4 chords in this variant of the plugin. And we'll get to export to MIDI in just a minute. I want to show you the preview chord function here. So once you have a chord selected, if you press preview, you should hear it back. And if you select the extended version, like it has more notes basically. Once you add a chord to a chord section, you can see that it displays the chord name followed by the extended like parameter, if the chord is extended or not. Like I said, you can add a total of 4 chords to this particular section, a maximum of 4. You can add less chords if you want. And once you click export to MIDI, it's going to generate a MIDI file where each chord will last a total of 2 bars in your songs. So let's try that out. It automatically reveals the file here. So you can actually go ahead and let's minimize the screen for a bit so I can actually see what I'm doing here. So if you want to go here, you can actually drag it inside your project. Once that is done, you can actually play back what you have generated. So yeah, a very simple, lightweight plugin that should work with any DAW and should help speed up your songwriting process. If you have any questions or suggestions on how to improve this one, because I am going to be adding more functionality to it, feel free to let me know in the comments. Until then, I am Andrew Milner, and thank you for watching this video.